వెల్కమ్ టు మనోహర్ మోటివేషనల్ థాట్స్. టాపిక్లోనికి వెళ్ళే ముందు నా ఛానల్ని సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయండి, బెల్ ఐకాన్ పైన ప్రెస్ చేయండి, అలాగే లైక్ చేయండి మరియు పక్కనే కనిపిస్తున్న షేర్ ఆప్షన్ పైన క్లిక్ చేసి మీ ఫ్రెండ్స్కి కూడా షేర్ చేయండి ఫ్రెండ్స్. హాయ్ ఫ్రెండ్స్, హౌ ఆర్ యూ? వెల్కమ్ టు మై ఛానల్ మనోహర్ మోటివేషనల్ థాట్స్. Today I would like to tell you about what is missing in our life. Why do people feel so discontented even after so-called success? Why do people dissatisfied for no particular reason even if everything goes on well? What is missing in their life? They never try to listen their inner voice. So one day a man was searching for something under street light, and a passerby asked, "What are you searching for?" The man replied, "I lost my key." And the passerby asked, "Where do you lost your key?" And the man replied, "I lost my key at my home." Then passerby said, "Why are you searching here if you lost your key at your home?" Then the man replied, "There is no light in my house, so I am searching here." Similarly, many people, they will search for something outside what they have lost inside. So like the many people are discontented. People often complain about someone or some situation or circumstances responsible for their life. So improvement begins when you accept, when you take responsibility for yourself. All the situations are controlled by you only, not other persons or other circumstances. So we have to realize that we have so potential within us. You have crores of amount in your account, but you don't know you have them. You only can open that. All the self development is being locked from inside. That door you can only open. You only realize, you have to realize that you have great potential within you. And all the life is just like a cup of coffee. So if you sit beside the window and lift the cup and you have taken a careless sip and find that there is no sugar in the cup and you are too lazy to get the sugar and somehow manage all the cup of coffee, and finally you found that at the bottom of the cup sugar crystals, undissolved sugar crystals are there. So finally our life also so much of energy and potential, and we have so much knowledge to solve our problems and to change our situations, but we will not realize ourselves. If you realize yourself, your inner being, then definitely you can get success in your life. You will be contented. Man is so strange. He goes on explore the Himalayas, he goes on explore the Pacific, and he goes on try to reach the moon and the Mars, but just one thing, he never tries to be to realize, to explore his inner being. So the people, whenever started to realize it, the development starting from inner world, then definitely they can find all the situations are going on well in the external world. So very few people have two types of success: internal success and external success. Some of the people they may are more successful in the external world, but they are always suffering internal world. So development, the true development starts from inner world. If you feel inner world happy and joy, automatically our external world also everything is going on well, and you can find that everything is happy and joy. So friends, realize that, try to listen your inner voice, and you can get the both ways of success, internal success and external success also. So I wish you all the best, friends. You realize that what is inner voice, and be happy and joy in your life. Thank you. I wish you all the best.